Hello guys, this is Gabe from Steele Hyundai Fredericton. In this video I am going to show you how to use the gearbox of your Hyundai. This is for the ones that have the gear shift here, and also the ones that have the ccNC system. So if you see here the gearbox, when you turn on, the car is parking. So to drive, twist like this, and if you see, is in drive on the screen. Then for neutral is one short one like this, and as you see, neutral. And then for reverse, you make one hard one, and it's in reverse. And then parking is with the button here. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Have a great day.